Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva for name design. First, open Canva and choose a blank design or search for name logo templates to get started quickly. You will find many options to inspire your creativity. Next, add your name using the text tool. Experiment with different fonts and sizes to see what looks best. This initial step sets the foundation for your unique design. Now let's dive into selecting the perfect font. Canva boasts an extensive library, so take your time browsing. Think about the mood you want to convey: elegant, playful, or bold. After choosing your font, explore the Elements tab. Here, you can add shapes, lines, or small icons to complement your name. These additions can truly make your design pop and add a professional touch. Customization is where your design truly comes to life. Change the colors of your text and elements to match your brand or preference. You can also adjust transparency and layer items to create interesting visual effects. Don't forget to try text effects like curving your name or adding a subtle shadow. Grouping elements together will help you maintain consistency and make adjustments efficiently. Once your name design is perfect, it's time to share it with the world. Click the Share button in the top right corner. You can download your design in formats like PNG for high quality or JPG for smaller file sizes. Canva also allows direct sharing to social media. Remember to check the description below for a link to grab little trees, black ice, and other great deals. We hope this guide helps you create amazing name designs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.